In this video, I'll be doing 10 practice problems to teach you how to convert mass and time units. Convert 2,500 grams to kilograms. We were given 2,500 grams, and we want to convert them to kilograms. In order to do this, we must multiply through a conversion factor. Our conversion factor will relate 1 kilogram to 1,000 grams. Multiplying through this, we see that the grams cancel out and leave us with kilograms. Solving this, we get that 2,500 grams divided by 1,000 grams is equivalent to 2.5 kilograms. Convert 0.05 kilograms to milligrams. We were given 0.075 kilograms, and we want to convert them to milligrams. We know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams, and 1 gram is equal to 1,000 milligrams. First, we will convert kilograms to grams by multiplying through our conversion factor of 1,000 grams per 1 kilogram. Then we will convert from grams to milligrams by multiplying through our conversion factor of 1,000 milligrams to 1 gram. Multiplying through this equation, we see that the kilograms cancel and leave us with grams, then the grams cancel and leave us with milligrams. So solving this, we multiply 0.075 kilograms by 1,000 to get grams, and then by another 1,000 to get milligrams. This equals 75,000 milligrams. A truck is carrying 3.5 tons of gravel. How many pounds of gravel is it carrying? We were given 3.5 tons, and we want to convert it to pounds. We know that 1 ton is equal to 2,000 pounds. So in order to convert tons to pounds, we need to multiply through our conversion factor of 2,000 pounds is equal to 1 ton. Multiplying through this, we see that the tons cancel and leave us with pounds. So solving this, we get that 3.5 tons is equivalent to 7,000 pounds. You have a bag of flour that weighs 1.2 kilograms, and you use 350 grams for a recipe. How much flour do you have left in grams? To solve this problem, first we need to convert the 1.2 kilograms to grams, and then subtract that number by 350 grams to find how much flour we have left. To convert 1.2 kilograms into grams, we need to multiply through our conversion factor. We know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. So to convert kilograms to grams, we need to multiply through our conversion factor of 1,000 grams over 1 kilogram. Multiplying through this, the kilograms cancel and leave us with grams. Solving this, we get that 1.2 kilograms is equal to 1,200 grams. Now that our units are all in grams, we can subtract 1,200 by 350 in order to find how many grams of flour we have left. 1,200 minus 350 is equal to 850. And this is how many grams of flour are remaining. How many seconds are in 15 minutes? We were given 15 minutes, and we want to convert them to seconds. We know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So to convert minutes to seconds, we multiply through our conversion factor of 60 seconds per 1 minute. Multiplying through this, we see that the minutes cancel out and leave us with seconds. Solving this, we get that there is 900 seconds in 15 minutes. Convert 2.5 days into minutes. We were given 2.5 days, and we want to convert them to minutes. We know that in 1 day, there's 24 hours, and that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So first we must convert days to hours by multiplying through our conversion factor of 24 hours in every 1 day. Then we can convert the hours to minutes by multiplying through our conversion factor of 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Multiplying through this, we see that the days cancel and leave us with hours, then the hours cancel and leave us with minutes. Solving this, we multiply 2.5 by 24 to get hours, then multiply by 60 to get minutes. This tells us that there is 3,600 minutes in 2.5 days. Convert 7,500 seconds into hours, minutes, and remaining seconds. In order to do this, we have to first convert seconds into minutes, and then the minutes into hours. We know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, and that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So to first convert 7,500 seconds into minutes, we need to multiply through our conversion factor of 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Here the seconds cancel and leave us with minutes, and solving this, we get that there are 125 minutes in 7,500 seconds. Now to convert 125 minutes into hours, we need to multiply through our conversion factor of 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Here the minutes cancel and leave us with hours. This tells us that there are 2 hours and a bit of a remainder of minutes. To find the remainder of minutes, we need to multiply the 2 hours by 60 minutes, which gives us 120 minutes. Then subtract 120 minutes from our total minutes of 125 minutes to find the remainder of 5 minutes. This gives us the final solution of in 7,500 seconds, there is 2 hours and 5 minutes. A manufacturing plant produces widgets at a rate of 50 grams per minute. How many kilograms of widgets are produced in an 8-hour shift? In order to solve this, we need to first convert our 8-hour shift into minutes, then calculate the total number of grams produced, and then convert the grams to kilograms. We know that 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes. So to convert 8 hours to minutes, we need to multiply through our conversion factor of 60 minutes per 1 hour. Here, the hours cancel and leave us with minutes, and we multiply through to get 480 minutes. If our widget produces at a rate of 50 grams per minute, and we are producing for a full 8-hour shift, then to get the number of grams produced in our 8-hour shift, we multiply 480 minutes times 50 grams a minute. This cancels out the minutes and leaves us with how many grams are produced during the shift. This multiplies out to be 24,000 grams. Finally, to convert grams to kilograms, we know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. So to convert the grams to kilograms, we need to multiply through our conversion factor of 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. Here the grams cancel out and leave us with kilograms. In solving this, we get that in an 8-hour shift, there were 24 kilograms of widgets produced. If someone was born January 1st of 2000 and it's June 16th of 2025, approximately how many days old are they? Ignore leap years for simplicity in this problem and assume that 365 days are in a year. First, let's calculate how many days there's been from January 2000 to January 2025. From the year 2000 to 2025, 25 years have passed, and we want to know how many days that's been. To do this, we'll multiply through our conversion factor of 365 days per year. Solving this, the years cancel and leave us with days. This gives us that in 25 years, there's been 9,125 days. Now we need to add the current number of days from January 1st, 2025 to June 16th, 2025. To do this, we will add the days in every month up until June. January is equal to 31 days. February is equal to 28 days, excluding leap years. March has 31 days. April has 30 days. And May has 31 days. And so far, June has had 16 days. Adding all the days together for this year, there were 31 days in January, 28 in February, 31 in March, 30 in April, 31 in May, and 16 so far in June. This totals to be 167 days in 2025. So to calculate how many days old the person born in January 1st, 2000 is, we need to add together 9,125 days, the number of days it's been until 2025, plus 167 days, the number of days in 2025. This tells us that the person born in January 1st, 2000 is 9,292 days old. A water tank holds 1,500 liters of water. If water is flowing out of the tank at a rate of 500 milliliters per second, how long will it take to empty the tank in minutes? In order to solve this problem, we need to first convert the liters of water that the tank is holding into milliliters. Then we need to divide the tank's volume by the rate that the water is flowing out, and then convert the seconds to minutes. We were given 1,500 liters of water, and we want to convert them into milliliters. We know that 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. So to convert liters to milliliters, we need to multiply through our conversion factor of 1,000 milliliters to 1 liter. Multiplying through, the liters cancel and leave us with milliliters. We get that 1,500 liters is equivalent to 1,500,000 milliliters. This is now the volume of the tank in milliliters. In order to find out how long it takes the tank to empty, we need to multiply by our rate. Our rate is 500 milliliters per second. We want to know the time, so we put seconds on top, and that is equal to 500 milliliters. Here the milliliters cancel and leave us with seconds. Solving this tells us that it takes 3,000 seconds for the tank to empty. Now we need to convert the 3,000 seconds into minutes in order to get our final answer. We know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So to convert seconds to minutes, we multiply through our conversion factor of 1 minute to 60 seconds. Here the seconds cancel and leave us with minutes, and we solve to get that it takes 50 minutes for the tank to empty. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what topics you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.